Kanaka Kamini Patistha Agini Ariache is for Vaishnava. He is Vaishnava. Even of Kanaka Kamini and Patistha. You understand? Otherwise, you may give up Kanaka and Kamini, but very difficult to give up this Patistha. All right. Therefore, this thing comes up. This thing comes up. Yes, it's a great elevated devotee, occupying great position, is temple president of GBC, great manager. Oh, yes, you feel embarrassed. Yes, feel embarrassed. Don't say so. Yeah. Jal Pratishtha, this is all material, and this is the mother of or birthplace of Matsarya. Understand, Mr. President? This is the birthplace of Matsarya. What is that? Enviousness. This is the birthplace of enviousness. This is the start. Understanding, yes, try to understand. Don't misunderstand. Misunderstanding is very, very bad. It is great poisonous effect. Have a clear understanding. This is the birthplace of this Matsarya, enviousness, jealous, jealous. If you see somebody is going off, pull down his leg, Very difficult to talk, that is painful in the heart. Isn't it? Yes. Pull down his leg, pulling down. Therefore, this Bhagavad first, second verse, Dharma Jiva Gaitava Dro Parama Nirma Sraman Sadam Vidya. What it says. Who can understand this Bhagavad Bhagavad? Who can understand? Parama Nirma Sraman Sadam Vidya. That Sadam, that devotee, that Vaishnava who is Parama Nirma Sara. What do you say in English?
Non-envious.
It's non-envious. Parama, another adjective is there.
Supremely non-envious.
Supremely non-envious. Yes, you are not giving correct translation. Yes, Parama Nirmasran Sodam Vidyam Dharma Prujita Gaitavatro Parama Nirmasran Sodam Vidyam. Only he can understand Srimad Bhagavatam. Bhagavad Dharma Prasad. How can I understand? Supremely non-envious. Vaishnava, only he can understand. Because this Dharma Pratishtha, material, running after this name, fame, adoration, prestige, adoration, this is the birthplace of enviousness, Matsarya. See, of this thing, you cannot tolerate. Somebody else is going up, making advancement. It's very painful. Yes, pulling down, yes, pulling down, yes. Give him a bad name and kill him. You'll find one story, nothing else. Yeah, this is material world, very dangerous platform. Not at all a fit place for any gentleman to stay. But this is Dhamma Sastra said, Maharaj said. Such nasty place, this material. Not at all a fit place for any gentleman to stay. Yes. Such thing is going on. Yes. Don't find that story. Yes. It's going on. Yes. You understand? Such things. If somebody says, oh, he's doing this thing, he's going on, making advancement, oh, very painful. It's very painful. Yes. Very hard to hear. It's not palatable at all. Pleasing at all. Very hard to hear. Yes. What is to speak of material field, in spiritual field, it is there. Yes. Paramatma is going on. So dangerous. So how can you understand unless you become real Nirmasara, supreme and unenvious? You cannot understand this Bhagavatam. So this is what we can understand. In Manasiksha, Srila Raghunath Das Goswami has said about this. You understand? Manasikya. Raghunath Das. Pratishtha sadhushta so vararamani so pacharamani me hudinate katham sadhu premas kusati susure tannam manah sadatam sevasva prabhudayito samantam kulum jathatam niskasya turitaviya tamvesayati. This is what Manasikya. Raghunath Das Goswami says. Very important. And Bhaktivinoda Thakur has written it in a poem. Apatata hoile dura pravesha premira kura jiver hudaya dhanyo kore ode bahu jatne anivare premaratne kapatya rakho ati dure suna mana nigudha vachana pratishtha sadhushta dhamma channarini hude mama jotokal koribe narthana কাপট্য তদুপপতি না ছাড়িবে মমতি সোপচনী যাই হয় দূর তদর্থে রচনা করি প্রভু পৃষ্ঠ পদ ধরি সেবা কর তুমিও প্রচুর দেহ প্রভু সেনাপতি বিক্রম করিয়াছি সোপচনী সঙ্গ ছাড়াইয়া রাধা কৃষ্ণ প্রেমধনে বিবেকে অকিঞ্চনে বলে ভক্তি বিনোদ কান্দিয়া ভক্তিবিনোদ ঠাকুর ক্রাইং অ্যান্ড সেইং দিস থিং কপটতা হইলে দূর প্রবেশে প্রেমীর দূর জীবন ধরে বলে when you can give up duplicity. So we always say, simplicity is Vaishnavism. It is better to remain in the species of birds, beasts and trees. You understand? Reptiles. You understand? It is better to remain in those species, birds, beasts, reptiles, trees. But getting this rarely achieved human birth, if you keep this duplicity in your heart, that is. You understand? Don't do it, don't. Mahajan said, don't do it. Better to remain in those spaces, low spaces, vast, beasts, reptiles, trees. But don't allow, becoming a human being, don't allow this kapatya to occupy your heart. विकास कपटता होइले दुर प्रवेश प्रेमी पूरा जीवन हुए धन्य करे in this kapatya this duplicity will be completely eradicated from your heart is completely free from duplicity, then purified heart, then there will be development of love, prema, otherwise no possible cannot be developed. অতএব বহু যত্নে আনিবার প্রেমরত্নে কাপটে রাখতি দূরে. Be very, very, very cautious. Take great care to drive out this kapatya, this duplicity. If you are serious enough to get that prema, which is an infallible gem, prema ratna. Understand my language? Understand that? Bhaktivinoda Thakur said, when they say, Raghunath Das Goswami said, then mind is stupid mind. The saying to Mana, Suna Mana Niguda Vachana, oh stupid mind, rascal mind, I am telling you most confidential thing. Niguda Vachana. What is that? Pratishtha sadhushta dhamma channarini hude mama jotokal karibe nartana kapatya tadupapati na chaibe bhavati sopachani jaya pai. This Pratishtha then running after this name, fame, prestige, Pratishtha. This is Chandalini. This is wife of a Chandal dog eater. That Pratishtha. You understand? As long as that Chandalini, that wife of this dog eater Pratishtha will be dancing in my heart, occupying my heart. Her paramour is kapatya, duplicity. Her paramour is duplicity. He will never leave you, Mr. Dandava. Understand my language? Never leave you, never leave you. The paramour of Pratishtha Chandalini is kapatya. is duplicity. You understand? Tadarthe jatana kari Prabhu prestha tadadhari seva karo tumiho prachura. If you are really very eager and serious, you have to give it up, completely drive her and him out. Her and him. Understand my language? Pratistha and her paramor kapatya. If you are very serious, drive them out. What to do? Prabhu prestha padadhari seva karo tumiho prachura. Serve the dear Vaishnava, who is very dear to Supreme Lord, Guru and Gauranga, very dear to Guru and Gauranga, grasping his feet, just serve him, render my service to him. Immense, great deeds of service, just go and serve him. He has strength. This time, Vikrama Kriya Viswabodhini Sangha Charaya Radha Krishna Premadhani Dige Oy Akinchane Bole Bhagavati Vinodas. And the Avatina started crying and say, when that dear Vaishnava is very dear to Guru and Gauranga, Sir, his mercy on me, I am engaged in his service only to, in his service, loving service to his Lord's feet. Just putting in place, nothing else, nothing, sparing anything for me. And he is very powerful, Vikram, wonderfully powerful. So, bestow his mercy, then this Sopasani, this wife of the Dogita Chandra, Pratistha, and her Paramar Kapatya will leave me. Otherwise they won't leave me. Understand? Then they leave me, then my heart will purify. So, that dear Vaishnava, dearest, very dear to Guru and Gauranga, that Vaishnava will give me Krishna, that is not prema. I will get that. Otherwise, and far away from it.